Hi guys, I know long time no speak, but I need to clean this thing. But welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I know I have to give you guys an explanation of where I have been, and I promise I am once I get everything settled. But if you guys notice, I'm in a whole new environment, a whole new setting, because I officially moved down to Georgia. Officially moved down to Georgia. So I am giving you guys I won't say it's an empty house tour because my house isn't empty, because I have all of my stuff. The movers actually just came a few minutes ago to drop off everything, but I'm gonna give you a house tour. So if you're excited to see my house and you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is the front door. It is a split floor, so the downstairs and upstairs. We walk up the steps, and this is the living room here. But this is the living room. Please don't mind all of this stuff here. You have, I think this is an electric fireplace. This is a breakfast nook, possibly. The kitchen. And then the main dining room. In the kitchen, you have the pantry. All this storage space up here, space here, dishwasher, here, more space, double sinks, and microwave and oven combo. And you can step outside on our little outside deck. This is the deck. Really nice space. It is fenced off, so that's good. But we are surrounded by trees. As you guys know, in Georgia ain't nothing but trees anyway. And the grass does need to be cut, but I think this is a good size backyard for the kids and everything. Okay, so you have the first room, which is going to be my sister's room. Then you have the second room. These stuff needs to go downstairs, but this is going to be the storage room / guest room for the time being. Linen closet, bathroom. And then me and my boyfriend's room. This is the master, so this is how big the master is, and I'm in the closet. This bed is going to go into the guest bedroom once I order my new bed. But I can get like a little bench right here if I wanted to. Don't know where the TV will probably go over there. And then we have the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So it's a tub, shower separate. So this is the shower, decent size shower. And here's the tub. I do need to wash out the tub. But this is the tub. I feel like this is a thing of wasted space, but oh my. And then we have double sinks, perfect. All of this storage, and then we do have like two things, and this is the toilet. So the toilet is separate. The toilet is separate. So that is the upstairs. So now let me take you downstairs. So downstairs, when we walk in here, is a under the stairs thing here. Washer and dryer hookup, that will go right here. This is the room, so this will be my brother-in-law's, sister-in-law's room. Now this is a room, this will be the kids' room here. And they will have to share this bathroom down here. And it is only a standing shower, so they will have to get a standing shower. Like my niece will have to come upstairs to take a bath and stuff because she don't use the shower. But they only have one sink, unfortunately. But yeah, and they got their own linen closet. Then you have this space here, which is the basement in a way. So we do plan on turning this into like the kids' playroom, stuff like that. And like get a TV up there and stuff. And then in the last of the rooms is the smallest room, which this will be turned into my beauty room. So I'm still trying to figure out like how I want to set up my beauty room. Not really sure how I'm going to do it yet, but that's that. There we have the backyard and more up depth and close. Like I said, we do need to cut the grass or whatever, but yeah, this is the backyard. Backyard. And the last thing that we need to check out is the garage. So this is leading out to the garage. So water heater. This is a 2-car garage. I feel like 2 cars can fit in here. What's this? Oh God, y'all, so many bugs. So many bugs. But yeah, I feel like it's a 2-car garage, and then there's a big old thing out here. But that is my new house. Well, I can't say it's mine. It's me and my family's new house. This will be here for the next year before we move on and do our own living. But yeah, welcome to Georgia, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my house tour. Again, not empty because, you know, my stuff is here. But I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, get notified when I upload my next video. When that will be, I don't know, but it will be uploaded very, very soon. I love you guys. Thank you much for the support. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.
It's a 5 on a Saturday.